behind every teenage pregnancy is a result. Real struggle, emotion, and grief. Teenage pregnancy happens when a birth, usually between 13 and 19, becomes pregnant. Often it's unplanned, and while might seem like just a personal issue, it actually affects families, schools, and whole communities. There are many reasons why this happens. Some things don't get proper sex education. Others may not have access to birth control as healthcare. Sometimes teens are pressured by friends or partners. And in many cases, it comes down to a lack of guidance or support at home. The effect can become a young girl might have to drop out of school. She might struggle financially, emotionally, and physically. And the child she gives birth to may face hardship or grow up in a challenging environment. But there's the thinking in pregnancy doesn't mean failure. It means there's a need for support, not change in the right time. Many young mothers go on to achieve great things, but we also need to focus on prevention through better education, honest conversation, and by building a space where we feel safe to ask questions and make important choices. Teenage pregnancy is not just a statistic. It's a life-changing reality for many young girls. So instead of judging, let's learn to see. Let's educate, let's support, because when we give young people the tools and guidance they can make better decisions and live better. Thank you.